In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix if your text messages and your Galaxy Watch 8 are not sending. First is to do basic checks. When you are using Bluetooth connection, make sure that the Bluetooth is on and the watch is connected to your phone via the Galaxy wearable app. Another one is to turn off the DND or Do Not Disturb mode, sleep mode, and airplane mode on both your watch and your phone. Another tip is to restart. Reboot your Galaxy Watch and your phone, and also ensure that both of these devices have the latest software installed. Now let's configure the phone settings or the Galaxy wearable application. On your phone, you can open this app and go to the watch settings and find the notifications. Tap the app notification and ensure that it is toggled on and find your messaging app. For example, you are using Samsung Messages or Google Messages and then enable it. In advanced settings, you can try disabling Sync Do Not Disturb with Phone and check if that will help solve the problem. And that's how you can fix the text messages that is not sending on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for using